Hey, honey, hey, it is your girl, Miss Leda, and I am back with another video. Guys, you have to forgive me. I am a little congested. I am a little under the weather. My allergies have been kicking my booty since Friday, and I have been trying to fight it off. But today's video is going to be about some enchiladas that my friend came to make for me. This is my friend, a long-term friend who I've known since I was 16 years of age, and her child is my godchild. So once they learned that I was ill and under the weather, they came and made me some enchiladas, something hearty that would still put definitely some meat on my bones, even though I was down. So this is just a quick video of them making the enchiladas. Of course, they didn't show the part where they browned the ground beef meat, but you just simply, they browned it 2 pounds of ground beef meat, and they used the McCormick's enchilada seasoning mix pack, and they went ahead and browned it. Once the meat was all brown, they took the corn tortilla shells, they actually dipped it into the oil from the ground beef meat, and then they stuffed them and rolled them, and then just simply added more of the meat sauce on top, as well as they added in some of the red enchilada seasoning, and then they added more cheese to the top. And once they added the cheese to the top, they simply put it in the oven until the enchiladas were ready. Now, I had went back later on when I felt a little better, and I made me some quick Spanish rice so that way I would have something else to go with it besides just eating enchiladas. So I had made some Spanish rice, and so you will see that in this video. Let me say thank you to everyone who has called to check up on me, to see how I'm doing, how I'm feeling. Like I say, my eyes have been extremely agitated and I have been congested. But I have been taking Claritin nonstop and drinking hot tea, and just getting rest on top of rest. So hopefully I will be bouncing back and up and at 'em next week where I can cut up with you guys. You know, your girl does not like to be down, and I most definitely am not one to get that much sleep. And so when I get sick, unfortunately I do get an unanimous amount of rest because my body just shuts down. So I guess it's a blessing in disguise, but this is what is going on. So again, I appreciate all the well wishes, and I just wanted to say thank you. So a couple of things that enchiladas can be paired with is a small garden salad, some refried beans, as well as some Spanish rice. And that is normally what I make with my enchiladas. So again, this is just a cooking video of my friends cooking me some food while I am under the weather.
You know what? I'm not finna blame her.
Tell them what you did.
I ain't telling nothing.
Making these good old enchiladas.
Don't you share my face.
When your godmama's sick and you gotta come cook for them, this is what you do. I'm showing the meat.
Okay, well you should
Best
see.
friend.
See, I can't stand you. You heifer.
Cause that's what friends are for. Root it up good.
There. Mahogany. Would you could let Olivia tell you?
Pour that goodness right over there.
So tell them what I put on.
I'm not doing that. But they damn sure look good. I put my foot, toes, and ass in it.
Lord.
Y'all
And in that order.
In that order.
Put some cheese on them bad boys. We're going to
Stay on.
delicious.
Only thing you don't even know what they look like, cause she can't even see them. I sure did. What was her fork
Made
here?
it up. In here.
Oh, give me a fork for her.
Serve a little down.
Too bad she ain't got a salad to go with me.
Look, wait a minute, that's bright.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Girl, no, you know my eyes is irritated and that was
Yeah.
super bright. I was like, wait a minute.
She been waiting on these enchiladas, y'all. I ain't gonna film her because her eyes ain't right. But she been waiting on this whole plate of enchiladas and she got another pan in there.
So, guys, since your girl has been under the weather, my friend took the time to come over and to actually make me some enchiladas. Just some food that I can warm up and eat while I am sick. And so I just asked that they film it so that way I would have some content to put out for you guys. So that is what you were looking at, is her actually making the enchiladas for me and putting them, giving me some so that way I can eat and at least have some strength. So until next time, I am your girl, Miss Leda. Oh, I'm so sorry. This medication has me sleepy. I am your girl, Miss Leda, and I'm out.